Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about a detailing drawing of projection of solids. Okay, so how this solid can be placed in a different position and different condition, and what is the view of the front and top view of the projection of solids. Okay, and now we are discussing, that is a basic of the concept of how to construct the projection of solid and what are the terminology, what are the procedure to form the projection of solids. Okay, so now discussing one by one. So before going over what is the meaning of solid, we know that. Okay, the solid can be understood, the solid name can be, we know that. So then only we can move for the problem for easy understanding only. Let's move on the different types of solids. Okay, here I have to show the different types of solids. Okay, so first of all, the basic difference. So here, like a cylinder, cone, triangular prism, triangular pyramid, or the cube. There are different types of solid I have to place here, but they, apart from that, there are many number of solids are be there. Okay, for example, there are two. I have taken two different cases here. Let's consider cube is a one example, and I take as a triangular prism is another example. Okay, so if you consider, if you look at the two figures, okay, what happened here? One surface, that is one figure is like a flat, and another one is it can be a sharp edge. Okay, that is the basic features of this diagram. Yes, you agree with that. Okay. So what is the basic difference is here? There is a shape for cube in the bottom side. Okay, the shape will be there in the top side. But the same look like here, but all the sides are equal. It's like a cube. But a triangle prism also all the sides are equal, but it can be joined at one corner. Okay, and also if you're taking for the pyramid, okay, what happened here? It's like all the edges, all the corners get joining at one point, but not a cube and triangular prism is not like that. Okay, what is the shape is there in your bottom side, that look is there in your top side. For example, if you take as a circle, that is a cylinder. Okay, the circle will be look at the bottom side. The same diameter is can be seen at the top side. Okay, but not case in case of pyramid and cone. So if you're taking a triangular pyramid, is the bottom side. If you look at a triangle, when you look at the top view, what happen is like a sharp edges. Okay. The similar cases will be there in your cone also. Okay. What about cone? It's like a circular, but when you look at the top view, what happen is like a what is it called as a cone. There is a sharp edges there. Okay. So whenever you are to understand the different types of solid can be placed at a different position, the view of direction also get changed. So that is the main objective of the types of solid. Okay, and also you know that what is the solid name is given. That is a primary things to do in the projection of solid. Okay, so you have to remember it's like a prism category problem, and take as a pyramid types of category problem. Okay, if I take as a prism, it's like a different types of cases, and is having pyramid, it having a different types of cases. So these are the basic difference. Okay, so if you're taking a prism, it's like a triangle is there, circle is there, pentagon, hexagon, and different types of shapes are there. And also we're taking for the pyramid, okay. And also we are taking for the triangular, cube, sorry, so it's like a square, rectangle, and a circle, the similar pentagon and a hexagon. So these are the shapes are there, okay. So these are the shape, okay, and this shape will be combined with this prism or pyramid, okay. So the entire shape will be get changed. Okay. For example, if I take as a triangular plus pyramid, what is it called as a triangular pyramid? And like triangular prism means what is called differentiation is like a triangular plus prism is called as a triangular prism. So what you have to understand is, okay, so you know that what is a solid name, what is the shape is given. That is the primary thing you know that the projection of solid, not only projection of solid, if you're seeing the upcoming classes like development of solid, section of solid, okay, this is the primary thing. Okay, so the previous lecture series we see about only for the plane, points, line is like a one dimensional problem we are discussing. Now we are discussing for the two dimensional. Okay, that is a, here I have show here for understanding purpose only I have show here is three dimensional. But in problem cases we are discussing only two dimensional problem. Okay, same then. What are the primary data I have to require to draw this these types of problem? Okay, so when I told you know this first one is you have to understand the what is it solid name is given, and also you have to give the size. Okay, it's like a if you take as a prism, it having a size. Okay, it having a height. If having a pyramid category, is having a height. Okay, both having a height is primary important, and also side is only is given. Okay, for example, if you take as a circle, it's an example. Either they give the diameter or radius. Okay. For example, if you take as a triangular cube, okay, you have mentioned only side value. It's like a base length you have to mention as. Okay, base length you have to mention it. Okay. Once you have to understand what is the data, it's like a base length, height, and also what is the solid name is given. Okay. So these are the very important. These are the primary factor. Now you understand all the data. Then you have to move for the problem cases. Okay. But we have two the problem cases. You have to think that there is a two thing. One is what is the front view of this given solid, and what is the top view of given solid. Okay, these are the two is primary important. Okay, if you know that what is the front view and top view of the given solid, you are too easy to understand. For example, if I take as a cylinder, when I'm looking at the front view, what happens is like a curved shape is that the curved surface we not draw in the two dimensional, so we have to draw as a rectangular. So what I would look at is top view of the given triangular. What I have is like a circle. The circle will be there in the below of the XY line, and front view is there is always there in the XY line of the above line. Okay. So these are the primary factor to construct the simple problem. Okay. So let's move on the next video. We are discussing detailing how to construct the different types of conditions on the position in the solid and different types of basic conditions also is there. Okay. So we're discussing one by one. Thank you.